Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get quick study notes from ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So, let's get started. You know that studying can be overwhelming, but ChatGPT makes it easier by providing quick, effective study notes. Get summarized, flashcards, and practice questions to boost your learning in seconds. So now I'm gonna show you step-by-step rules about how to get quick study notes from ChatGPT. I'm showing you it with 3 points along with example prompt. So let's go. Number 1. Summarize complex topics. ChatGPT can break down complex subjects into simple, digestible study notes, making it easier to understand key concepts. Example prompt: summarize the main ideas of Newton's laws of motion in 200 words. Let's check the answer. ChatGPT will provide you the best answer. The next one, number 2. Create study flashcards. You have to generate flashcards to help with memorization and quick review of important terms and definitions. Example prompt: create a set of 5 flashcards for key terms in the French Revolution. Let's generate the answer. Here it is. You can able to see the best answer from ChatGPT. And the last one, number 3. Provide practice questions and answers. Here, ChatGPT can create practice questions based on your study material, helping you test your knowledge and prepare for exams. Example prompt: generate 5 multiple choice questions about photosynthesis with the correct answers. Let's search the answer. Here it is. So, this approach outlines how ChatGPT can help you efficient studying by summarizing content, generating flashcards, and providing practice questions. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.